Hello humans and non-humans. And today, I'll showcase this Aimbot script. If you're wondering why there's a huge plank in the house, I'm currently on the test server. I forgot to change server. Let's set up things up so we can showcase the Aimbot script. Alright, I'm gonna cut the recording here, because it's gonna take too long to find a house to raid. Here, as you can see, it's working pretty good. This will be useful for mobile or PC players that don't have aim. Working pretty neat. That's all. See you guys on the next one. Make to like and subscribe if you appreciate my work.